Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe on your Android device. Emulation lets you enjoy your favorite console games, like this classic Mario adventure, right on your phone or tablet. It's a fantastic way to experience the game on the go. To get the best performance, you'll want a relatively powerful Android device with a good processor and ample RAM. Let's dive into the steps to get you playing. The first crucial step is choosing the right emulator. For Nintendo Switch titles on Android, Yuzu Emulator is widely recognized and actively developed. You should always download the official Yuzu application directly from their website or a reputable app store to ensure authenticity and security. Before installing, quickly check that your Android device meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Next, you'll need the actual game file for New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, often called a ROM. Equally important are your Nintendo Switch console's firmware and production keys. It is vital to obtain these files legally, typically by dumping them from your own physical console. These specific files are absolutely essential for the emulator to properly recognize and run the game without any issues or errors. With all your necessary files, it's time for setup. Carefully place your game files, firmware, and production keys into the designated folders within the Yuzu emulator's directory. Then, spend a few moments configuring the emulator's settings. Adjusting graphics and performance options can significantly improve your gameplay. For the most authentic and comfortable experience, we highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.